In natural language processing, one of the most important factors that will determine the accuracy of any machine learning or insights that you're trying to get is the quality of data that you provide and how that data has been cleaned up. You might have heard the phrase garbage in, garbage out before. This essentially means that if you're feeding an algorithm with garbage data, so data that's not been cleaned up properly, it's not in the right format, there's loads of noise in there, then any kind of accuracy of your machine learning is going to be affected by this. There are a number of steps involved in pre-processing our text data and getting it ready for further analysis. The first step is just general cleaning, so taking our data set, getting it organized, tidying up the text, removing anything that might throw us an error, anything like that. The second step is removing noise from our data set. So if we've got aspects in our data that aren't adding any value and they're just taking up space in memory, we can remove these and we'll be left with a smaller, cleaner data set to work with. The third step is just getting that data in the right format for the machine learning algorithm we want to use. Reprocessing our text data will take it from looking something like this to this. We can see there have been a lot of transformations done here, and the lessons in this section are going to cover this step by step, taking you through each of the transformations required to get that data ready for any further analysis. With that said, let's get started now into our journey of natural language processing.